good mail call today. I got some pretty good parts in. I just went on a little bit of a buying spree recently, and yeah, it was good. First things first is I got my lower control arms in. These are the UPR Ultimates, I think, or Extremes. What's really nice about the Extremes is it comes with hardware, which is nice. You don't have to go get it. But the other thing that's really nice is these spacers just aren't a spacer. It's actually a steel sleeve that goes in first. So you got your spacer and you got your steel sleeve, and that's a pretty thick sleeve that slides in there first. This gives it a lot more support. And then you got your spacers, which are literally just holding the space open. But you're not riding like on, I'm actually changing my upper bearings because of that. So I'll show you, hold on. So on the uppers, these are the two spacers. These just slide in and there's a little bit of a gap. So you don't have the support there like you would with the spacer, the whole sleeve that's in there. The Extreme, UPR Upper Extreme bushings have that same setup. So that's what I'm going with. These things are meaty. Powder coated silver, nice match. I mean, these things are, you could tell this is a stout piece. I mean, look at the size of that end. It's a stout piece. I really like those. I also got my tires. I went cheap and I got some Nankang's CX668 in a 165/80/15. I can't turn the wheel, the thing's locked, but you can see they're good width, they're full radial. These are $90 shipped. $90 shipped from Amazon. But I went with them, those tires for now. They'll work. I think the speed rating's good for 140, I think the speed rating was, which isn't terrible. It'll be fine for a little while until I upgrade, but even the Mickey Thompson SRs, I think the speed rating is only 150 on them. So, $90 shipped to my door from Amazon, and they fit really good, and you could put those on at your house. Simple green, I got it in like a gallon garden sprayer, straight simple green. Spray the edge, you could work the bottom bead around. I was going to show you guys, but I got too excited and I just stuck them on. You could work the bottom bead around, and then the top bead you could work 3/4 of the way around. Make sure you use a lot of simple green. Don't be, scared. And I take a long, not long, but like a flat piece of steel that I have wrapped in header wrap and then taped, and I just give it one little pry and it pops the tire on. Boom. It took me 10 minutes to do both those tires, and now they're on the rims, inflated, good to go. So that's that. We went over the rotors, the tires, the lower control arms, and then the main box shows up today. I love UPR. I've decided I went with, did I really take my knife out upstairs? I've decided all UPR suspension. It looks a lot beefier than a lot, and it's very reasonably priced. Very reasonably priced. I think I paid like $170 for my uppers. I gotta fucking assemble all this? Viking. Viking. Wow. Come on, UPR. Can I get some stickers? Can a boy get some stickers? That's all I want. I got Viking stickers. Warning. Anti-seize must be applied to the shock threads before adjusting ride height. Failure to do so will damage the shock and void your warranty. See the enclosed instructions for setting your shocks. The shocks must be set correctly for optimum ride quality and performance. So if you can't tell, set a Viking double adjustable coilovers. So that you have to assemble apparently. Jesus Christ, you gotta really assemble everything. The fucking upper and lower bearings? Is that what that is? Nice piece. Now, if you order these, they will ask you if you want to spend $30 on a thrust bearing for this. This is where the spring sits. Hold on, I'll show you. I went with 12-inch springs, 125 pounds. See, that's a good starting point. So anyway, this is the bottom of your coilover sleeve. Spring sits on it. Alright. This is the thrust bearing. And they will ask you if you want to select a roller thrust bearing. Why they ask this on a rear, I don't know. A roller thrust bearing is to help this spring turn. You're not turning the spring in the back of the car. That's for the front coilovers. So I think they play a little marketing scheme there by having that and get you to buy it just because you're like, ooh, something cool to order. It's not needed for the rears. You really don't need it. This is perfectly fine. Well, there's that. Some instructions. Another adjuster. Viking sticker. Another box. Why they can't send these assembled, I don't know. These are nice. So you got your compression and rebound. You want double adjustable. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about wanting a double adjustable, especially this is really lightweight, especially in the rear. It gives you all the control. And these are Warriors. I didn't go with Crusaders. Now, I talked to the guys at UPR, and they said with the amount of street driving I'm doing, I will blow Crusaders right out of the car. So at $300 or $250 a shock, I don't want to do that. That doesn't sound like fun for me. Failure to follow these instructions can result in serious injury or death. Apply anti-seize to the threads on the nuts and the shock. Okay, so they tell you, I don't want to void my warranty because we know these parts companies will find any reason to void your warranty. Shoulder up, right? Shoulder up. That's annoying. Well, that was easy. A lot of instructions. Recommended baseline points for adjusting your Viking shocks. Gives you ride quality street, compression rebound, handling, autocross, drag racing under 600, drag racing 6 and 9. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, well, I couldn't get them stupid C-clips in, and I don't have C-clip pliers here. Guess I'll be buying that tomorrow, too. I have them at work, obviously. But that is the assembled coil. No anti-seize on this yet because I'm not getting the shit all over my hands before it's in the car. I will do that when they're ready to go in. But it's a nice coilover. Like I said, these are the Viking Warriors, not Crusaders. These are for more street driving. you won't blow them out as quick. Guys, crack a cold one, get outside, start working on that hot rod, buying parts, getting it done, get back in that groove, and let's go. Let's hit them roads. It's already June. Have a good night, guys.